What's up, guys? This is Crazy Maya, Fan 5 here. Checking out this Woodwick Crackle as it burns petite candle vanilla. We wanted to get one. As you can see, this is a regular. This is a regular candle, normal. And when it burns, it doesn't just regular, you know, string fuse. But they say when you light these candles, they're supposed to crackle because it doesn't have a string; it has like a wood piece. So I got this little sample. It's like 2 and change, and I want to try it out. This set is vanilla bean. I love vanilla bean. And then we got another one is this one is Coastal Sunset, which smells really good too. The lid, as you can see, comes with a lid. Put the lid like that.
I can hear it.
Well, you can actually hear the crackling. Well, this is just a sample. Actually, you can see even it flickers better. You see it's flickering, and it's much more brighter than. Let's see. Let's light this baby up without burning my hand. Has a brighter burnt compared to. See, that's the regular candle. See, the flame just. But this one flickers, which is pretty cool. Let's see if you hear it. There you guys have it. The Woodwick Crackles Acid Burns Petite Candle. We're definitely going to get a bigger one. Try to see if the bigger one makes a bigger crackle like they said it was supposed to do. I mean, you can hear it crackling. And it smells freaking good. And no, I'm not being girly, but I'll do like the smell of candles. Makes everything smell nice.
He's such a girly girl.
You see the flame flickering, but this one's just not as bright. Oh, let's see, here we go.
Is it still crackling?
Oh yeah. So, for all you females out there, or you gentlemen that want to spice it up, I recommend you guys getting these Woodwick candles. Get the bigger one, so you can spice it up a little crackling, like, you know, you're outside in the fire. So, Let me know what you think. Click like, subscribe, leave any comments down below. Thank you.